Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel, Kindred Souls of Brooklyn and Sarasota. And we are here for the grand opening of the H&L Asian Market here on Tamiami Trail. I'm going to take you in for a tour. It's amazing. 23 aisles of amazing goodness. All kinds of things you might expect and not expect. It's been a long time coming. Join us for the ride. So happy to be here on opening day. Stay tuned. So as you can see, we're here on busy Tamiami Trail. And this is a huge place. Give you a quick idea from the outside. This was the former Devlin, which was a restaurant. And right off of Tamiami Trail, a few miles from the best beach in all of America, Siesta Key Beach. This address is 7113 Tamiami Trail. We got Kerry over there, and let's go take a look. No further ado. All right, so Kerry's grabbing a wagon. Kerry had some dental work done yesterday. So she's not going to be too talkative. She had a tooth extraction. But anyway, as you can see, you have the grand opening things that people gave them. This looks really cool. No comments from the peanut gallery. So right off the bat, this is really cool. You got signs right here telling you what's in each and every aisle. And you got a basic layout of the whole place right as you come in. So parking lot is jammed. So let's go take a look. So right off the bat, I could tell they have a seafood market.
Oh my God. Filipino cookies.
What? That's the Kerry dance. If you didn't know, Kerry's 25% Filipino, 75% Irish, so that was a 25% Filipino dance for the Filipino cookies, so she says. Look at this. You know, Matt used to love the haichu. I don't know if they're going to have haichu here, which is the candy that you can get in Epcot Center. But these look like all kinds of potato chips and rice cakes and banana chips.
Some Filipino cookies?
I see some Filipino. Oh, I see one Filipino nut. You?
I don't care.
Ah.
Filipino cookies.
Wow.
Say go Seahawks, but they're doing terrible.
Peanuts.
Peanuts.
All the candies you could want. Look at this. And 23 aisles of goodness. Let's take a look. Fish snack. Wow. Taro chips. I like the feel of this market. It has like a market feel. Kind of like a Fulton Street fish market type of feel, or like something you'd see in Seattle. It's kind of like got that feel to it, which I really like. It reminds me of being back in New York, or being like in, you know, kind of like a town like New York or Seattle or San Francisco, where you have the, it's kind of like an ocean feel to it. Let's see what we got over here. Speaking of ocean feel, looks like we got live fish in here. Holy cow. Look at these guys. Wow. I feel like you guys should be hearing a Disney song right now. Under the Sea. Unfortunately, you guys are going to be on the plate. Man, I'm not a seafood eater. I feel like buying them all just to give them put them in a fish tank. I feel bad for them. Wow. There's live eels in here. Wow. Look at that. And then you have your lobsters in the tank. And here's your king crab. If you've ever seen the movie Castaway, this is what the actual king crab looks like. I'm not much of a crab person either, but I would free them all. What do we got here? Crabs. Some kind of eels or something. I don't know. Hi, how you doing? Congratulations. Wow. So I just found my favorite thing here. It's the Korean barbecue sauce. I absolutely love the this sauce. It's kind of like it's a dark sauce. So what I do is I put it on broccoli. Any of these sauces, I just love the bulgogi, barbecue sauce. All of these here are just amazing. So I'm gonna definitely grab me one of these. Nothing like this on broccoli or on chicken. Incredible. And you could see from opening day here that it's just packed. I want to say packed to the gills, but that's a little bit corny because of all the fish I just met. As usual, Kerry has taken a powder, has disappeared. I found her. There's all live fish over there. What is it?
Philippine shortbread. They remembered.
What's that?
Crazy. I don't give a shit.
Hey,
Filipino.
no cussing on my channel. Buttercream chocolate crackers. Wow, look at this. Julie's dark choco. I think you should buy some of these cookies to make up with our raccoon friend.
I am buying some of these cookies.
But wait, you got to make up with the raccoon.
Yeah, you make up with raccoons. I'm eating Filipino cookies.
One of the raccoons was mad at Kerry this week. Kerry was being Kerry, so the raccoon growled at her. Duck marshmallow. Wow. This is a candy dream in here. Look at this. Holy cow. Kerry says she wants to try some of this squid candy. Want to eat some squid candy?
Keep going.
Honey citron tea. This is actually a lot of healthy food in here. Kind of stuff I should be eating more of. Not particularly the candy and the chocolates, but as a whole, very healthy food. But it's so, wow, we got all of this Oreos.
Look at the name on here.
What? Wafers?
Under?
Cappuccino.
Yeah.
Yeah, cappuccino is the raccoon that's mad at you now.
Could be anybody.
This is something though. Look at all this. So it's basically all, you know, from what I could see, like imported products or products that are, a lot might be from here too, I would think. But you have just variations and twists to, like, you know, like for instance, if you want to find like a devil dog thing or a moon pie, you have like the Asian equivalent to it. I mean, look at this, peanuts. I think my dad would have gone crazy in here. He loved being Lebanese. He loved all like the candies like this. And wow, oh wow, here's big shout out to Matt, my son. I'll put up a picture right here for Matt, of Matt. These were his favorites. We used to get him these at Epcot when they were only available in Epcot, and then they kind of expanded out. Now you can get them in Brooklyn and different Asian markets around, but there was a time when you could only get them in Epcot. Look at this, rice cracker donuts. Kerry loves rice cakes. Wow. This is, I'll tell you folks, this is something to see. You have to really come over and experience this. Just all kinds of amazing products here. And look, Filipino cookies, as Kerry was saying. We're gonna keep walking through. Yeah, I was just mentioning my dad talking about Lebanese people, right? These are dates. A lot of Lebanese people love dates, per se. In fact, if you remember Corporal Klinger from MASH, he used to have a saying on MASH, may your camels spit nothing but dates. So there you go, you got some dates there too. Anybody wants a date, they can come right here. Hello. Hi, how are you?
I want a date. Very interested.
You want a date?
No.
Oh.
But I'm very interested in this.
It's nice. Hi. Merry Christmas. This is like more of the candy. Chinese herbs. Look at that. Wow. I mean, very, very impressive. Very impressive. And you have different products over here. Look at this. This is all like, what are we looking at here? I guess different things you could have for chopsticks, I guess. This is amazing. Look at these chopsticks. Cotton twine. Fancy chopsticks out there. A big shout out to Carrie's niece Jackie, who was trying to get Carrie to learn how to use chopsticks. If you look at our video from PF Chang, you even have a fork and spoon. Jackie was trying to teach Carrie. But you got little packages there. Look at that. And look at this. You got pots and woks and knives. All kinds of utensils. I'll tell you, this place is a dream. Wow, and I'm a big fan of Dexter. Everyone knows Dexter, right? Lots of knives here for Dexter. There's going to be a new show, Dexter Resurrection, starting filming in January. And Dexter Original Sin is on right now, but that one's just got the voice of Michael C. Hall. But I'm looking forward to Resurrection. It's going to come out in June. Dexter would like those blades there. Look at these woks. Wow. Incredible. I mean, you name it. This place, look at the scope of this place. Wow. Casseroles and spoons. My mother-in-law, Helen, who was a fantastic, magnificent cook, Carrie's grandfather, Mr. Santos, who was from the Philippines, who actually was in the Navy. He was a Navy cook. And I can only imagine him in here, what he would say. Just incredible. Bowls. I mean, it's still got enough time for Christmas, too. Come down, you can grab some Christmas gifts. I'm sure they have, I'm sure they have gift cards here, too. Look at that. Got all your spices. Look at this chicken. That's what this guy thought I worked here. An older guy came up to me and he's like, which aisle is the soups in? I was like, sorry, I don't work here. I get that a lot. I mean, I think because I do videos and I'm kind of very approachable and talkative, no matter where I am, people think I work there. Maybe I should go to like a, I don't know, CBS or ABC. Maybe I'll get a bigger gig working at one of those big networks or something. Fried onions. See, what's really fun here too is you get to learn what they call it. And I'm probably killing this with my Brooklyn accent. Hanfi. I would have to come somewhere here at one of my friends to actually pronounce it. Big shout out to Grace. Grace is probably watching this video saying, oh my God, Al, you're mispronouncing all of that stuff. Wow. Amazing, right? What's your general perception of the whole place?
They have some Filipino stuff. Yay.
So this is an incredible place. If there's one thing I could say on the negative, because you always got to say something, you know, for the whatever, for the balance, is that there's not, I mean, obviously it's an Asian market, but there's nothing like, for instance, if you want like Coca-Cola or you want like that kind of stuff, you'd have to make like a second stop. But obviously coming here, this is a specialty place. But I think for me, being so Americanized, maybe, I don't know. I mean, it's, you know, but it is different. So maybe, I don't know. I guess, not that that's a complaint, but I want to just say that if you come here, it's not like a place you can come to and say, all right, I'm going to come here and I'm going to buy Coke and I'm going to buy Hellman's mayonnaise and I'm going to buy, these are all different products, which in a way is a breath of relief because, you know, you go to Walmart, you go to Publix, and it's kind of the same products. I mean, that's what America is becoming. Like when I was a kid, when you went out to different states and places, and even upstate New York, you found different names of products and different things. But so I'd have to say this is a breath of fresh air in that way. So let me turn this around. This is something, you see these in a lot of Asian restaurants and places of business. And I remember asking my friend who owns the Asian buffet above the Macy's in Sheepshead Bay about these, and they're supposed to bring good luck. So there you go. Big shout out to Gina and Lewis. Gina and Lewis love cats. We love animals ourselves, but They're a wonderful mom and dad cat family. So it's really incredible. I love these. Look at this. The little boats you could put like food on. Oh my God. Look at that. I could put my French fries on that, or onion rings and a little ketchup in the back. That's my kind of boat. See that? Look at that. All right. Good times.
Wonderful.
And look, you got more cat bowls over here. These are nice. A bowl with chopstick holders. Look at this. Oh wow, check it out. Really, really, really nice. Really nice. So we still got time for Christmas, still got time for anything. It would be really a good place to come for everyday food, for different things that you're never going to see anywhere else but here. So as I'm looking around, you have products from all kinds of Asian countries, Philippines, Vietnam, Thailand. I haven't seen anything Korean yet, but I'm sure we probably have that. Let's get Carrie's expression with the fish. Go take a look at some of the fish. Look at those eels up there. Why don't you get a couple of eels for yourself? Wow. So I didn't show you this shit. All the meat, all the meat in the counters. Fish cleaning services. Wow. I mean, like I tell you, I'm not a fish eater at all. I eat the Swedish fish, and oh my God, a snakehead. Holy cow. How about a snakehead for you? Why has it got to be snakes? Oh, sorry. Look at the size of these. Oh my God, octopus. This one's looking at me. They're looking at me. Meanwhile, I got a bunch of people looking at me, laughing at me. Oh my God. I'm glad I ate before I came. Shrimp?
Shrimp is good.
You got headless, you got peeled, you got razor clam, snow crab, Alaskan cod. My God. This is incredible. Now you're going to the beef short rib, beef belly. Oh my God, goat meat. Goat meat, you got oxtail.
Chicken feet.
Wow, chicken feet. Holy cow. I don't know what you use that for. Pork belly.
That one.
Pork blood. Pork blood. I'll give you $50 to eat a chicken foot.
No, I'm not even eating pork blood.
Wow. All right. So it looks like we did some good viewing here. Wow. And these are all just like more of what you saw, but they're just packaged up. And you got your spices in there. Wow. I haven't seen a lot of bread in here. Maybe I missed that. I don't know, but definitely an amazing place. So I have to say this was incredible, and definitely worth the trip to come up to see this. If you're in Sarasota, if you're in Bradenton, it is fantastic. It's like I said, right on the main road here, Tamiami Trail. So much to see, but this is just a destination in and of itself. You will not be disappointed. Come by, take a look, and enjoy yourself. And hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a shout out, give me a like, please subscribe. Want to wish everybody Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah, whatever it is that you celebrate. I love you, Matt. I miss you, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, this is Al signing off from Kindred Souls of Brooklyn and Sarasota. See you next time, folks. Bye-bye.